Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video. I just want to give a big shout out to once again my buddy Pete Blair. He's on Instagram at Wood Bowls and Things. Absolute wicked woodworker and wood turner. From him, that's how I've learned all my stuff about wood. He's a bit older than me. His son I've grown up with my whole life, and once I started doing woodwork, his son, I've known Pete my whole life too, but my friend introduced me to him, and he's been my guidance for woodworking and all the stuff that I do, and he really helps me out a lot. I just want to say thanks, Pete. This is look at this orb he made for the wizard. Fits right in his hand. I got a hole drilled up here through the bottom, and there's a hole in here, and it's going to have a light in it, so it's going to light up at nighttime, or daytime will even light up. I've got to find a LED light in there. But I just wanted to show you guys that beautiful orb that he made for me. It's epoxy, and he turned it, and this is a yellow cedar burl that I've given him. But isn't that beautiful? That's what life's about for me now, is just like I don't know, creating, and I don't know. Thanks, Pete. I'll stop saying your name now, and you and your wife are great people. I miss Blair. Thanks for everything.
I am hoot hoot.